Avis is an American company with offices around the world. What does Avis do? Their main business is car rental, but they also provide a range of other related services.
Today, we will be looking at the new Avis Singapore and Avis Qatar websites.
It is not only the Qataris and Singaporeans that use the Avis sites because Avis customers include people from other cultures that are business travelers or just tourists in general.
That is why we have analyzed the existing websites and came up with recommendations that create a satisfying experience for visitors from any part of the world.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to show you the analysis of Avis company for both the Qatari culture and the Singapore culture. First of all, let's start comparing it in terms of internationalization, localization and culturalization. Let's start with internationalization. Avis company is an international website. It's an international company, so this means it should have an international website. But according to our analysis, we found out that people in Qatar prefer to use Singapore's website more than their local website. This is because we found out that Singapore's website is more of an international website. Regarding localization, each website is different in terms of functionality, so they define localization in terms of functionality. As we can see, when you go to the Singapore website, you have a chauffeur service and other promotion and deals, while in the Qatari website you only can see the fleet and book a car. In terms of localization, we decided to look at the American website. As Avis is an American company, so first of all we decided to look at the American website and compare it to the Qatari website and the Singapore website. According to our analysis, we figured out that the American website has the same color and this layout, but the only problem is that it looks more professional and more polished. And in terms of culturalization, we figured out that both websites doesn't represent the culture in any way. For example, for the Qatari Avis website, it does not celebrate, for example, Sports Day or National Day, and the same goes with the Singapore website, where it doesn't present their New Year's. Let's analyze the website in different terms. We figured out that the approach they use is anarchist approach, because in both Qatar and Singapore Avis websites, they have the same logo but different shades of reds. Another thing that we analyzed in the website is that they use the quote "we try harder," in which they emphasize it a lot on the Qatari website, but they don't emphasize it a lot. Like in the Qatari website it's at the top, while in the Singapore website it's at the right bottom of the website. This is probably because of different cultures, because most Asians probably interpret it like they expect from a company to work hard to achieve it. So they just hit it in the bottom so that it's not apparent to all the users. In other ways, the language in which they are used in the website is different. For example, the Avis Qatar website, they only show you product information and like the car and other fleets and stuff. While when we're going to the Singapore website, you find it like marketing, promotions, deals, which are not found on the Qatari website.
We designed Avis Qatar and Singapore website to have a unified global layout for easier site maintenance. However, the website will look different depending on which country you come from. This is how Avis Qatar looks like. As you can see, the navigation bar, the product wizard, and the content are catered to Qataris. If you are a Singapore-based visitor, this is what you will see. You will have different items in the navigation bar based on information catered for Singaporeans. There are also different products and services available, as well as different promotional content with discounts on the landing page to entice Singaporeans. For Singapore-based visitor, the website is available in English, Chinese, Malay and Tamil. Qatari-based visitors, however, will be able to select between Arabic and English.
For both the Qatar and Singapore websites, the links on the navigation bar will now expand into a hierarchical drop-down list as opposed to the current design where the sub-menus are on a different page.
Now, let's focus on the booking wizard. The booking wizard helps guide first-time customers through service selection, service information, and booking. It shows different services available in different countries. These are the services available for Singapore. For example, if you select chauffeur drive, the wizard brings you quick links to find out more. If you select car rental, a different set of links appear to provide you with rental information. Once you are ready to book a car, you can proceed to the booking form within the wizard.
Here you can easily select the rental office as well as the car. We have improved the car selector with images of the actual cars to enhance user experience. We also make use of metaphors such as icons of people and luggages to provide information on seating and luggage capacity for each car. After that, we proceed to enter the start and end date of the rental, as well as customer-related information. With that, you have successfully made your booking. As you can see from our recommendations, we've gone for a very balanced approach in redesigning the Avis Qatar and Avis Singapore websites. And this means that we didn't go more for globalizing or we didn't go more for localizing, but we tried to balance these kind of things because Avis is special in the sense that its presence in a certain country doesn't mean that it only targets the people of that country or that culture. But a lot of Avis's customers are actually foreigners as well, people who visit the country, tourists, businessmen, and that is why we've gone for a unified web design, one global website with specialized content in terms of maybe features of the site and also the services available in that certain country. And we just didn't want anyone to feel alienated, so anyone from any culture or anywhere in the world can access the site and use the services with ease and also be satisfied with using the site even if it's a site for a certain country that is not their own country. And today what we've shown you are the recommendations that can be shown on a paper prototype. For more of our recommendations, you can check that out in our reports, and our reports also has more in-depth analysis of the web design and also the different recommendations that we have proposed. We hope you have enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.
Hello everyone, here's our peer review for the Contemporary Themes for Global Systems project, and this is the second part of the video where we talk about our peer review and what we think about the project and especially the experience throughout working on this project. My name is Daniel Cheweiky and I'm Syrian American, I was a junior at Carnegie Mellon University and I'm studying information systems. This project enabled us, it's a really nice experience because it enabled us to meet people from different cultures, like the Singaporean cultures, and meet new friends. And it gave us the experience to actually think how other people believe. For example, we figured out through our experience through this project that the Singapore site are really good in writing, and the way they write is really amazing. Okay. Other than that, now I introduce you to the rest of the team.
Hi, I'm Eman Kuwari. I am from Qatar, and I am a Carnegie Mellon student, information systems. And this experience is really great because I got to meet new people and also learn about a new culture and how they work differently. So I enjoyed this from other cultures.
Okay, hello, this is Abdelrahman. Sophomore at Carnegie Mellon University. I I really like this experience because I got to work with different parts of the world. We faced a couple of issues, such as we had a difficulty managing times, but we managed to do it. Sometimes we were really serious, but then Singapore team would come up with something funny. Like once they showed us the rubber duck, which lightened up the mood. So yeah, it was quite an experience.
And there was the laptop that got divided into 2 parts.
So yeah, we kept showing each other a lot of items. So yeah, now to Singapore team and Wiki.
Perhaps Zachary first?
Oh yeah, Zach.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Zachary from Singapore, and I'm studying Information Systems at the Singapore Management University. I think technology has really made it easy to collaborate. It is hard to imagine how doing this project is possible without tools such as Google Drive, Google Plus, or even Skype. But to be fair, even though the tools are enablers, we still need to apply stuff that we learn in class in order for the project to be successful. You know, stuff such as being sensitive to culture, understanding how each culture works, etc. And I think overall it's a really fun experience, and we really had a lot of fun doing Google Hangout with the Qatari folks who are really fun loving. Yeah, that's all from me.
Okay, so I'm Wicked, final year student. Me first, right? Okay. So I'm Wicked, final year student from SMU. I think this is really a refreshing experience for me. Interacting with those from Qatar for this project. This is the first time I work with Qataris, so I have no idea how they look like before this project. And for this project, I think one of the key interesting challenge that we encounter is that we have very different weekends. For Qatar side, their weekends are on Fridays and Saturdays, whereas for our side, our weekends are on Saturday and Sunday. So we have to take all this into account in order to schedule our projects. So for Waritta.
Hi, I'm Waritta and I'm from SMU, and I'm a senior at SMU. I'm studying information systems, and for me it was really fun and interesting doing this project. I have to admit that it's not easy all the time. Although we have Skype, we have Google Plus and everything, it does get frustrating. Like some things that are supposed to be really easy, it becomes so much more difficult, like doing the video, because you know your teammates are not like here with you. And yeah, although it's difficult, I would say that we really learned a lot from this. And yeah, we realized how interesting and how fun it is to work with people from another culture, and how much insight and a different perspective like that we have when we work with people from another culture. Yeah.